Every person has their own story of struggle. How the person worked hard and how they struggled to get what they have is really heart-touching. We always loved the BL series. Thai BL series are one of the series that really close to everyone's heart. We always loved the chemistry, we ship the couples in real life. We love the life they have in real life, but the struggle they did and the hardship they face is really something that is why they are today's successful actors. So today we are going to see the 5 Thai BL actors struggle and how they made their best to come so far. Every actor has struggled, but today we are going to see 5 of them. So let's begin. New Sapazit. New Sapazit is one of the most successful BL actor. His Than Type series is the series that really gave the recognition to the Thai BL industry out of the Thailand. Many people's first Thai BL series is Than Type. But Mew had started his career before the Than Type. There he had struggled very much. He even got into the controversy and faced a serious allegation by his co-BL actor in the BL series What the Fuck. He has really honed through very much. The journey towards success is very inspiring. No matter how much Mew is criticized for breaking off the Mughal fandom or always trying to compete with Bright, etc., you will always have a huge respect for Mew because he struggled a lot in his career before Than Type happened. Although he comes from a pretty well-off background, he pursued what his heart really wanted. Despite all the hate that was thrown his way, he made the best of him. Bright Vachiravit. Bright is one of HR most hard-working actor. He came so fat after he worked so hard. He came from a family whose financial background was not so good. But then also he never gave up. We cannot ignore the fact that he really survived and thrived in a competitive industry, being raised by a single mom, selling the clothes online, and now to be the top-rated Thai actor from GMMTV, that already has so many talented and good-looking artists working them is no mean feat, and today after so much he has become a brand now. Z Prick. Z's BL series is one of the series that made us believe in the love stories. He is so good actor that everyone wished to have partner just like Z. Z's struggling story is also inspiring. He even thought to quit the acting at one point, but destiny opened the door for him. In one interview where he talks about the early years of his career, he revealed that he's from the north and there was a time when he didn't have a job or money to travel for auditions. He did some random TV stuff, etc. He knew Max Kronthas, but Max recommended him for audition to his TV agency. They did the DMD YouTube travel vlogs and such, before he was cast in Wairu. After all that went down during that time, he took a hiatus and wasn't going to do any more BLs, but then along came Nunu. Z agreed to do Cutie Pie with him, and with that decision, things changed for Z and his career as well. Earth and Singto. The story of Earth and Singto are the closest. They both lost their mom, yet never gave up, and not only have survived and thrived but created a respectable fan base for their body of work. In fact, no matter how much they're applauded, I still feel it's not enough, and I have huge respect for them. The struggle show how much these actors are gone through, and now they are having what they deserve.